Ever found yourself wasting 10 minutes retyping text from a screenshot or a photo of a whiteboard after a meeting? Now multiply that by how often it happens. That's hours lost on something your tools could handle for you in seconds. I know this because I've been working in consulting for over 8 years, leading hundreds of workshops and meetings filled with handwritten notes. Today, I help millions of professionals through my YouTube channel save time and get more done with Microsoft 365. So if you're still manually typing up notes from screenshots or whiteboard photos, this one's going to save you serious time. Let me show you how. In fact, you can literally copy text straight out of any image in OneNote. Screenshots, handwriting, PDFs, instant editable text. No fancy OCR software, no browser extension, just OneNote on your desktop. And if you want more hidden OneNote time savers like this, I've linked my Microsoft 365 Productivity Masterclass packed with practical tips to help you get the most out of OneNote and other Microsoft tools to save time, reduce mental clutter, and actually get more done each day. You're going to love it. Now let's say you took a photo of a whiteboard during a meeting, or someone sent you a scanned PDF with important notes. You need to use that text, but retyping it's tedious, error-prone, and honestly a complete waste of your precious time. But you can easily skip the manual work. Here's how to extract text from any image in OneNote for Windows. First, open OneNote on your desktop and go to the page where you want to work. Then insert the image that contains the text you want to extract. You can either click on the Insert tab at the top and choose Pictures to upload an image file, or you can just paste a screenshot directly into the page using Ctrl and V. A third alternative is to move a file, such as a screenshot or a single PDF page, onto your OneNote page by drag and drop. If you move a PDF, OneNote might ask you if you want to attach a file or insert a printout. In that case, choose to insert a printout. Once the image or printout is in OneNote, just right-click on it. You'll see an option that says Copy text from picture, or Copy text from this page, or from all pages of the printout. Click that. And OneNote will instantly process the image or printout in the background and pull out the text it recognizes. And then all you need to do is place your cursor wherever you want the extracted text to appear, either right below the image, in a different section, or a completely different page, and hit Ctrl V to paste it. You've got clean, editable text without having to retype a single word. And what's great is that this works not only for printed text in screenshots, but surprisingly well for handwriting too, like notes from a whiteboard or from a notebook. Now, before you start running every image through OneNote, here's something you should know. This feature is powerful, but not perfect. For one, it copies everything it can recognize in the image. That includes things you might not want, like footnotes, page numbers, or irrelevant text. So you'll often need to clean up the pasted result afterwards. Also, if the original page or layout is messy, think scanned documents with columns, misaligned whiteboard photos, or scribbled notes, the formatting in the pasted text can be a bit off. You'll likely need to do a quick tidy up to make it usable. And that said, when the image is clear and focused, OneNote handles it surprisingly well. And over time, this one simple feature can save you hours. There are so many hidden tricks in OneNote that build on this one, and they are real time savers in your daily workflow. So if you want to keep leveling up how you use OneNote, watch this video next, where I share some of my favorite productivity tips that most people overlook.